Hi all, and welcome to another video from Ms. Robbie's classroom. I'm your teacher advisor, Ms. Robbie, and today we will have another video on our series of the self-learning home tasks for the second quarter in English 7. For this clip, you will need your English 7 home task for week 4, some pieces of bond paper for your outputs, and a pen. Pay attention when you hear the bell sound. That means you may need to pause the video in order to do the task given. Then resume the video once you're done. And remember to work on your own. There's no problem in asking for help from others as long as you did all the work. So our goals at the end of this clip is that you will be able to research information through websites and other sources, write a report on the given topics that you researched online, express your appreciation of the technological advancement. And so with that, let's talk about Lesson 4, Research. What is research? Research is a careful and detailed study into a specific problem, concern, or issue using the scientific method. It's a process of systematic inquiry that entails collection of data, documentation of critical information, and analysis and interpretation of that data or information. So basically, research is finding everything you want to know about a topic using a systematic process and using different kinds of reference materials and sources. Why is research important? Research is important for you because it helps you have a proper in-depth analysis of any topic and it enhances your knowledge. Through detailed research, you develop critical thinking expertise as well as effective analytical, research, and communication skills that are globally sought after and incredibly beneficial. These skills are 21st century skills that you need in order to succeed and be globally competent in the future. Research skill is a vital part of the writing process because it enables writers to find information and create an outline for a writing project, whether it's creative or academic writing. So here are tips to make research easier, more accurate, and more effective. Organization is key. Write a draft so you have a skeleton of what your research paper will be about. Think about the topic and what you want to know about it. What is your purpose and where would you get your information? And how would you go about collecting the data? Jot down the proper notes. Take note of the information that will only be of help to you. You don't have to copy everything in the book, newspaper, or webpage, just the ones that are related to your topic. It can just be a sentence or two or a whole paragraph. Brainstorm and outline. To brainstorm and outline, note down what part will be the beginning, middle, and end. You use an outline to organize your ideas so you don't get off topic. It usually has 3 parts. The beginning or introduction, where you introduce your research topic and why you chose it for research. The middle or the body, where you discuss the findings or information you found on your topic. And the ending or conclusion, that basically summarizes your research. Reference can be added as a list of all the sources you used in research. Know your sources. Citation of the source information is very important when you're looking for information. Make sure that the sources you used are reliable. Check the author and double-check by citing another source. Be careful to differentiate real facts from fake ones. Use varied sources. Not just limit to one, like use books, magazines, diaries, journals, and newspapers to support your research. Types of sources. There are 2 types of sources you can use for research. The first one is the primary source. A primary source, also called an original source, is an artifact, document, diary, manuscript, autobiography, recording, or any other source of information that was created at the time under study. It serves as an original source of information about the topic. Some examples are letters, manuscripts, diaries, journals, memoir, autobiographies, oral histories, interviews, speeches, newspapers, government documents, photographs, maps, video footage of the event, audio recordings, research data, objects or artifacts. Another type of sources is the secondary source. These were created by someone who did not experience firsthand or participate in the events or conditions you're researching. Some examples are books with endnotes and footnotes, biographies, reprints of artworks, journal or magazine article which interprets or reviews previous findings, conference proceedings, literary criticisms, book reviews, and most works incorporating primary sources. So what types of sources can you use? These are common sources you can use for your research. Books, journals, newspapers, websites, blogs, podcasts, or videos. Let's apply what you've just learned through some exercises. Answer the crossword puzzle below by adding the appropriate vowels to form the words being referred to. The first one has been done for you. Are you ready to answer the rest? Let's go! It's checking time! Let's see if you got your answers correctly. Check your own answers. Exercise number 1. Answer the crossword puzzle below by adding the appropriate vowels to form the words being referred to. Number 1. A detailed study of an issue is research. Number 2. Collection of web pages and related content using internet. The answer is website. Electronic medium for recording and display of moving visual media. Video. Opposite of print media. Non-print. A periodical which is printed in gloss-coated and matte paper. Magazines. Number 6. A publication which contains news on current events. Newspaper. Number 7. Examples of these are drawings, pictures, and etc. Images. Number 8. Digital audio files for easy listening. Podcast. Number 9. Written materials such as textbooks, magazines, and etc. Print. Number 10. Used by students for guided lessons. Textbooks. Exercise number 2. Write like if you're convinced with the given dialogues, and write notify if you're in doubt. The first one is done for you. Are you ready to answer the rest? Let's go! It's checking time. Let's see if you got your answers correctly. Exercise number 2. Write like if you're convinced with the given dialogues, and write notify if you're in doubt. Number 1. Give false data. Notify. Number 2. Clarify confusion. Like. Number 3. Solve nothing. Notify. Number 4. Add information. Notify. Number 5. Share fake news. Notify. It's assessment time. Research at least one ethnic group in the Philippines and write what makes it unique among the indigenous groups in our country. Use at least 3 to 4 sources in your answers. Follow this format in writing your research paper. Are you ready? Let's go! Enrichment activities. Choose the correct topic supported or referred to in the given information. Write the letter of your answers on the space provided for. The first one is done for you. Are you ready to answer? Let's go! checking time. Let's see if you got your answers correctly. Choose the correct topics quoted or referred to in the given information. Write the letter of your answers on the space provided for. The first one has been done for you. For number 2, one of the signs of screen addiction is your loss of interest in other activities. Correct answer is letter A. Due to additives present in fast food, cancer becomes another risk for the person consuming this food. Correct answer is letter C. Studies show that Moringa oleifera may lead to modest reductions in blood sugar and cholesterol. The correct answer is letter D. Number 5. Now, reading is being evaluated as a treatment method for various mental disorders like depression. The correct answer is letter E. Submit your self-learning home task to your teacher for checking. Now you're all set for Lesson 5. Until next time, this is your teacher advisor, Ms. Robbie. Happy studying, guys!